How to add money to your GoCard California. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation, I'm going to talk about how can you add money to your GoCard California account. Many prepaid card providers offer online portals where you can log into your account and add funds using a debit card, credit card, or a bank transfer. Visit the official GoCard California website and log into your account to access the online payment options. If your employer offers a direct deposit, you can arrange to have your paycheck deposited directly into your GoCard California account. Check with your employer's HR department to set up the direct deposit. Some retail locations such as grocery stores, pharmacies, or convenience stores may allow you to reload your GoCard California at their cash registers or the customer service desk. Look for a sign indicating that they support reloads for the prepaid cards. You may be able to transfer funds from your bank account directly to your GoCard California. Check with your bank if they offer this service and if there are any associated fees. If GoCard California has a mobile app, you may be able to use or add funds to your card using the app. Check the app's features and instructions for reloading your card. Some ATMs allows you to deposit cash directly into the GoCard California. Look for the ATMs that support card preloads and follow the on-screen instructions over there. Some prepaid card providers partner with the retail reload networks such as Green Dot or MoneyGram to allow the customers to add funds to their cards at participating locations. Check the GoCard California website or contact the customer service to find out if they support this option and to locate the participating retailers. Before adding money to your GoCard at California, be sure to check any of your associated fees or limits, as well as any of your requirements for verifying your identity or account information. So if you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.